Hey guys, Tim at Blackdog Speed Shop. As you probably noticed, we got a Trans-Am behind us. It's a race car, and it does look a little familiar for those of you in the racing community. If you guys are familiar with the No Prep race, King of the Streets, this used to be the owner of King of the Streets. This was his car. It was sold off some time back, and it was repurchased by a customer of ours. The reason it's here is because we've tuned his other turbo cars, and we want to make sure everything is good to go with this one. There being some unknowns with the car, and as it passed hands, I don't think he wanted to go out there and race it and kind of gamble. So brought it here. We did find an issue with it. We found that the actual indicated timing was off by 6 degrees, which will be a huge deal when it comes to pushing the limits of the car. That will make or break the car as far as mechanically holding together. All right, well, let's get her strapped down and get after the tune-up, and we'll see how much power she makes. That was pretty crazy. That normally doesn't happen. The force from the exhaust blew down the light covers. If you notice in some drag racing applications, the angle of the bumper or fender mount exhaust plays a role in keeping the front end down because of the force of the exhaust coming out. So we got on the dyno, we went through everything. Aside from that, didn't have any real big hiccups with it. We were just making sure that the power numbers were in line with what they should be. Made 1,200 horsepower. So I think that should be enough to get it down the track. Aside from that, we're real happy, pleased with the results we got. Still have some more left in it, but we're gonna wait until we get to the track to start pushing the envelope with this one. So the dyno, like I said in my previous videos, is just a tuning tool. We use it to get the vehicle dialed in to go to the track. And then when we get to the track, we do further tuning and verify our tune as well. That's what we got with this one. Stay tuned for more videos and updates when we get to the racing season.